Hello everyone and welcome to Old Timer Finance. Yes, my channel name has changed from Down South Finance to Old Timer Finance. On this video, we're going to be talking about investing in your Roth IRA in 2024, your HSA, and your 401k. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. So for 2024, if you have money to invest in your Roth IRA, I would highly suggest it. It's tax-free income in retirement because you can supply that money with already taxed income. So then when you pull it out at 59.5, you don't get taxes taken out of it. It's not pre-tax, it's already been taxed. For the limits for this year, if you're single or married, you can put $7,000 of taxed money into the account. And then if you're 50 plus, you have a catch up of $1,000 after that. You can start withdrawing from your Roth IRA at 59.5 without any penalties. Your single modified adjustment gross income is, if it's less than $146,000, you can contribute up to $7,000. But if it starts going above that, it's slowly graduated out, and then at $161,000, you can't invest anymore. For married, all the way up to $230,000, and then at $240,000, you can't invest in anything else. Same with $230,000 to $240,000, it starts to phase out. A definition of MAGI, which is adjusted growth income, can reduce the amount of your taxable income by distracting certain deductions from your gross income. AGI, after factoring in tax deductions and tax-exempt interest, you can't find your MAGI in your tax return, although your AGI appears in your line 11 or form 1040. Example of deductions: HSA, pre-tax 401ks, normal deduction if you're single, married, or head of household, which is your standard deduction for 2023. I think it's $27,700. Like I said, I'll be phased out at $161 for single and then $240 as married. If you only make $7,000 in a calendar year, that's only how much you can contribute into it. If you only make $3,000, for example, that's how much you can contribute to it. So if you're a high school student working as like a cashier or something, you make $6,000 per year and you put all that money into your Roth IRA, that's fine, but you can't go above that. Current items I can currently invest into in my Roth IRA is VTI, which is an index total stock market, VOO, which is the S&P 500, VYM, which is a high dividend ETF. Then anything left over goes into the bond. With Vanguard, you can't fractionally invest in anything. So if I have a couple $100 left over, I just put it into BND. Other things to consider in 2024 is investing at HSA. It's a triple tax breakdown in retirement. If you're single, you can invest $4,150. Married is $8,300. Most people that do have an HSA just use it as a savings account, but you can invest in ETFs, index funds into this account, such as I use health equity through my work, and I invest in a broad index real estate fund that pays me quarterly dividends. Then at 55 plus, you have $1,000 catch up you can add to it for single or married. For the 401k this year, you can invest $23,000 per calendar year. Last year in 2023, it was $22,500. Other items to consider in 2024, they're not a bulletized list. You need to do this in order, but first thing to consider is pay off high interest debt. High interest debt is considered anything at 6% or higher. Create an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months. I would create $1,000 first, get all your high interest debt paid off, and then create an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months. Invest in your company 401k match. I have a match at 4.5%. So I would create an emergency fund first of $1,000 and get my match, then pay off all my high interest debts. After that, I'm going to match out the Roth IRA, which is $7,000 this year, and then invest in my HSA and max that out. And then once that is done, you're on step 5 of 6, 5/6. Start to invest more into your 401k. If you're able to max out your 401k, max it out. If you have a Roth 401k, invest in that. Start saving for future investments. Start paying off low interest debts being your mortgage. As always, keep it simple. Don't overthink it. One step at a time. Financial independence and wealth is a marathon. It's not a sprint. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching this. And like I said, more content will be coming out in 2024. Thank you.